Hello everybody, we have a product named Fairbond EP. Fairbond EP is a 2-pack solvent-free epoxy resin containing pigments and fine fillers and slow curing high-strength adhesive suitable for civil engineering. The benefits of using Fairbond EP are as under. It has excellent adhesion which increases bond strength. It has very good chemical resistance and is easy to apply. It cures even on damp surfaces and ensures perfect waterproof bond. Fairbond EP has moisture insensitive for long-term durability. It has excellent adhesion and impact resistance. It acts as a barrier coat to the migration of chloride ions from host concrete. Fairbond EP is used for bonding renders, screeds, or fresh concrete to existing concrete, to bond together precast concrete sections, as a primer for an epoxy coating and screed. Fairbond EP is a general purpose epoxy resin which is specially formulated for use with concrete. Fairbond EP is particularly advantageous with dry and touch damp surfaces and can be used to bond two old concretes or two old concretes to fresh concrete. Fairbond EP is available in biscuit color or grey color. For mixing Fairbond EP, the following method is applied. Fairbond EP comprises of two components, the resin base and the hardener, which are supplied pre-weighed in the correct proportions. When required for application, the hardener should be poured into the can containing the base and drained well. Both the components should be thoroughly mixed, preferably using a mechanical stirrer, that is, for example, electric drill with stirrer attachment, until a uniform color is obtained. For bonding together concrete sections, apply an even coating of resin to both prepared surfaces using a brush or roller. Ensure that both surfaces are saturated and bring the sections together under light pressure. Remove any resin which extrude from the joint. Protect the job from agitation until the resin is set. Now for bonding screeds, renders or fresh concrete to existing concrete surfaces, apply an even coating of resin to the prepared old concrete surface using a brush or roller. The fresh concrete or mortar should then be placed on the top of the resin layer after 15 minutes and within 5 hours at 30 degrees Celsius. Fairbond EP is supplied in 1 kg and 5 kg packing. If you have any queries regarding this, please do not hesitate to reach us. Thank you.